Good morning, children. Very good morning. So last class we had discussed about the environment. I have given the notes for that is chapter number 1, environment. Question answers I have given and followed by MCQ I have given. Now this class I give you the notes for the second topic, that is inside our earth or inside the earth. So here there are some exercises. There are some exercises given and followed by even some of the multiple choice. So this class first I will dictate the answer the following questions. Just write down. Answer the following questions. All of you children, please take your notebooks and write down the notes so that we can prepare straight away for our annual examinations. Right? Okay, now take down. First question is, what are the 3 layers of the earth? The first question is, what are the 3 layers of the earth? What are the 3 layers of the earth? What are the 3 layers of the earth? The first question, children, please write down. What are the 3 layers of the earth? All of you keep reading. Topic number 2. The topic name is the inside the earth or inside our earth. You can keep as well. Inside the earth. Okay, exercises. Answer the following questions. Write down the answer the following questions. The first question is, what are the 3 layers of the earth? What are the 3 layers of the earth? Answer, write down. The 3 layers of the earth. You can start from here. The 3 layers of the earth. The 3 layers of the earth. The 3 layers of the earth. Children, are you writing? Please take down. The 3 layers of the earth are, the 3 layers of the earth are, number 1, crust. Number 1, crust. C-R-U-S-T, crust. Number 1, crust. C-R-U-S-T, crust. Number 1, crust. Number 2, mantle. Number 2 is mantle. M-A-N-T-L-E, mantle. And third one is core. C-O-R-E, core. Crust, mantle and core. These are the 3 layers of the earth. What are the 3 layers of the earth? The 3 layers of the earth are, number 1 is the 3 layers of the earth are, number 1 is crust, number 2 mantle, number 3 is core. These are the 3 important layers of the earth. These are the 3 important layers of the earth. One is crust, second one is mantle, and third one is core. Second question, what is a rock? Second question is, What is rock? What is rock? Second question is, what is rock? Second question is, what is rock? What is rock? R-O-C-K, rock. What is rock? Second question is, what is rock? R-O-C-K. What is rock? Answer. Rock answer. Any natural mass. What is rock? Answer. Any natural rock. Any natural mass. Any natural mass. A-N-Y. Any natural mass of mineral matter. Any natural matter. Any natural matter. Any natural mass. Any natural mass of mineral matter. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust. That makes up the earth crust is known as rock. Earth crust is known as rock. So what is rock? Rock means any natural mass, any natural mass of mineral that makes up mineral matter that makes up the earth crust. That makes up the earth crust can be considered as a rock. So what is rock? Rock is an natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the mineral matter that makes up the earth crust. That makes up the earth crust is known as rock. Clear? Now what is rock, children? Rock is any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is known as rock. Next question, third question. Name 3 types of rocks. Third question is, right now, name 3 types of rocks. 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 Answer. The 3 types of rocks. The 3 types of rocks. The 3 types of rocks are. Name 3 types of rocks. The 3 types of rocks are. Number 1 is igneous rock. Number 1, igneous, I-G-N-E-O-U-S. Number 1, igneous, I-G-N-E-O-U-S. Igneous, I-G-N-E, igneous, I-G-N-E-O-U-S. Igneous rock. Number 2, sedimentary rock. Sedimentary, S-E-D-I-M-E-N-T-E-R-Y, sedimentary rock. And third one is metamorphic. M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-I-C, metamorphic rock. Name 3 kinds of rocks. The 3 kinds of rocks are igneous rock. Number 1, igneous, igneous, igneous. Number 2, sedimentary. Number 2 is sedimentary rock. Third one is metamorphic rock. Third one is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic, METAMORPH is metamorphic rock. Igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Clear? Fourth question is, how are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? How are, question write down. How are, A-R-E, how are extrusive, E-X-T-R-U-S-I-V-E. How are extrusive, E-X-T-R-U-S-I-V-E, extrusive and intrusive, I-N-T-R-U-S-I-V-E, I-N-T-R-U-S-I-V-E, intrusive rocks formed? First one write down. When this molten lava, when this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, when the molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down. It rapidly, R-A-P-I-D-L-Y, rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such way, rocks formed in such a way, on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. Rocks formed on the crust called extrusive, E-X-T-R-U-S-I-V-E, extrusive igneous rocks. Second one, sometimes the molten magma cools down. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. Full stop. So solid rocks formed is called solid rocks are formed. Solid rocks are formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive, I-N-T-R-U-S-I-V-E, intrusive igneous, I-G-N-E-O-U-S, intrusive igneous rocks. So that is extrusive and intrusive. Extrusive means when the molten magma comes out, when it comes out from the crust, slowly it cools down, it becomes solid rock. Such solid rocks are called as extrusive igneous rocks. So sometimes this molten magma cools down formed in the rock deeply inside the crust. Such solid rocks are known as an intrusive igneous rock. That's all. Clear? That is the how these intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks are formed. That is the question. Next question is, what do you mean by rock cycle? 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 Answer. The process of formation of rock. The process of, what is meant by rock cycle? The process of process. 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 Process of transformation. Process of transformation of the rock. Process of transformation. Process of transformation of rock from one to another. The process of transformation of rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. What is rock cycle? Rock cycle means the process of transformation of rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. What do you mean by rock cycle? Children, write down. What do you mean by rock cycle? Rock cycle means the process of transformation of rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. Is it clear? Right. Next question. Next question, write down. What are use of rocks? Last question. Last question is, what are the use of rocks? What are the uses of rocks? What are the use of rocks? Next question is, what are the uses of rocks? Write down. The uses of rocks are, write down that. The uses of rocks are, normally the rocks are used for making roads. Number one, rocks are used for making roads. Rocks are used for making roads. Making roads. Number one, rocks are used for making roads. Number two, constructing houses and buildings. Number one is use of rocks are useful for, number one, construction of roads. Number two, construction of buildings. Number three, construction of houses. There are three uses. Use of rocks are, number one is construction of roads. Number two, construction of houses. And number three, construction of buildings. What are the use of rocks? Rocks are useful for number 1, construction of roads, number 2, construction of houses, number 3, construction of buildings. There are 3 uses of rocks. There are 3 uses of rocks. Number 1 is construction of roads, construction of buildings, construction of houses. Is it clear? So what are the uses of rocks? Clear? Thank you. We will continue remaining next class.